Okay, so the handle's always a little bit hard to see, especially when you're in, up against some darkness. But here it is right here. And hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I installed this grab bar at the slider door on my Ram ProMaster 2017. It didn't go quite as easy as the video shows. I did have some problems with the hardware that they sent. Once the grab handle is installed and its methods, this is a really sturdy handle, and I have no concerns about it coming loose or wobbling in the future. It's really well made. My kit came from ProMasterWorld.com, and it came with everything that you needed: the plus nut tools, and the spacer bars. And the handle's really nice. It's got a nice texture on it. I think I paid around $49 for it, but well worth it after it's in and seeing how much I use it. Pulling back the seal, and you don't have to pull this all the way off, just enough to get it up and out of your way. There we go. And then next thing is we're going to want to pull this back, and okay, we're going to measure up the 39.5 inches. I have some flooring here, so 39.5. I'm guessing it'll have to be that bottom, or this top one here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright, we don't want that to come off too far. This one here, and I hope that octagon one there, I hope that's going to fit all the way. So we're going to put this in like this. Screw it. Now it's nice and tight, snug in there. I just make sure that this is going to fit in here. So that's not fitting in like I think it would. Like this one looks like it's going to, yep, that one's going to slip right in. But this one's going to need a little tap to get in. So let's get that done. There we go. That's in nice and good. Now we're going to screw down the plus nut, and that's going to splay out the plus nut inside your wall, creating a nut for you to be able to screw that bolt into. There we go. That's better. I'm going to righty-tighty it. And we're going to make sure that it's in all the way. You can see how that's starting to splay out in there. Okay. Okay. Now, I think what I do now is loosen this up. Peek and see what that looks like. Oh yes, that's very nice. Very, very nice. That looks really good in there. Okay, second one. This plus nut tool, amazing. When I was first building my van, I looked into plus nuts, and if they had had something like this I could have used, they probably did, but I didn't know, couldn't find it. Just a little bit harder to get in. At this point, I needed to make holes through the trim so that I could feed the bolts from the handle into the plus nuts. And I made a mistake when I did this, and I made my holes, as you can see, way too close to the edge of the trim. And now at the end, I have a gap that I just have to live with. It helps keep it in place. Sticking stuff. We're going to go ahead and Okay, that is my hole. Oh, there we go. Okay. That might take a little finessing, as most van projects do. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, now the project is all done, and I'm going to show you just real quick how I can use it for entry and exit. And even when I have my really cheap screen door up, it's really easy to grab a hold of that. I've had the handle in for about 6 months now, and I really like it. It's very helpful, especially when you're loading and you have stuff in your hands. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.